welcome back to my channel. It's Cerise here, and for today's video I am trying out the InStyler Straight Brush for my hair. Now this retails for 88 New Zealand dollars, and yeah, pretty much what it is, it's a brush and you brush it through and it's meant to straighten your hair at the same time. So I'm excited, I'm ready. I've never tried something like this, so I'm like, is it gimmicky, what's going on? But it says in the instructions that you've got to brush your hair. So my hair is like, it's partially straight, but it is quite buff, so I'm excited to see if it actually friggin' works. So yeah, for 88 bucks, it better work, it better work. So it looks like this, and it's got the comb style there, so I think that you just kind of hold your hair and just run it through like that. So yeah, it's got the on button here, so let's turn it on. And it's all lit up, and then you can pick what temperature you want. So I think kind of in the middle would be good, or like lower. I don't know. I think I'm going to wait a couple of seconds for it to heat up. While it's heating up, I'm just going to get some like protecting spray and just kind of spray it in. Just because I am using heating products, and then I'm just going to brush it through. Alrighty, so at least it's guarded, so like if you set that down, that's actually not going to burn you, because oh, I've just turned it off. Okay, so it's easy to turn off in your hands, clearly, like what I've just freaking done. But yeah, you can feel the heat coming through the combs, but it like isn't, like the actual comb itself isn't hot, so I really like that. So I'm gonna do is I'm gonna need a good grip, and I think I'm just going to get this kind of trowel piece. Just kind of. Oh, did that work? Oh. Yes, I think that bit worked. Oh, this is exciting. Okay, I need a mirror in front of me to be doing this, so like, it is weird having to like, because usually with a straightener you'd hold your hair, so I'm like, you just need to like just brush your hair sort of vibes. I don't know. Oh, I mean, it ain't no GHD, but yeah, because you want to make sure you get all the knots and tangles out, because imagine if this got stuck on your hair, it would literally like start ripping like and burning, I think. It's like you've got to kind of like really get it in there. I've got thicker hair, so I'm not sure if it's actually gonna like work that well for me, but we'll see. Because I mean, with a normal straightener, you've kind of got that effect of being able to like pick which bits you straighten, sort of thing. Like you can straighten all the little bits that don't normally stick in a comb or something. So yeah, I am like, I mean, it's definitely working fast. I'm like, should I be going slow? Like super slow. It's really hard because it's just like the hair's just going through the comb part, you know, like it's hard to kind of go slow. But it is working. I mean, I do like the safety aspects of it. Like you could give this to a younger child or something, to kind of straighten their hair without worrying too much if they burn themselves, because I don't think you can actually burn yourself on this product. Like it's a little bit hot, but I could probably hold my hand to there for a wee bit, and it is straightening, it is doing the job, which I think is really weird, because it's, you can actually see how it's doing the job, but it's actually like working fast. Like I don't have to section my hair off. It's just, okay, so I'm actually getting really impressed with this. First I'm kind of rambling, but I'm like, this is actually pretty. Like what is that? Look at that. Wow. Wow. Okay. Alright. Alright, so I've kind of straightened one side. I mean, speed-wise it's pretty quick. It is very strange how easy it is working. It's not really pulling as well, and it's just kind of like worked really well. So I'm not mad at it. Like it's nice and easy. Getting my roots is a bit harder, just simply because I feel like some of the hair at the back isn't actually sticking in between like the teeth. But it might be, I don't know, because it needs to go through the teeth for it to actually work. So I'm not sure how good it would be at the back. Obviously a normal straightener is maybe like easier because you've got more control, but I feel like with a lot of, whoa, that difference is crazy because I'm literally looking in a mirror in front of me. I feel like the safety of this is insane. It's a really good concept. Like, just to be able to kind of like brush through your hair and have straight hair at the end of it. Like, that's insane. It's just trying to get your hair through the teeth, which is a little bit harder because you've really got to kind of pull and let it get through and make sure it is actually brushing, because if it's not brushing, then it's not getting it through, and then you want to go kind of slowly as well. But it is making it very smooth. It's definitely a really, really cool concept. Alrighty, so I think I'm all done with it. I've straightened all the front, all that I can. It is very, very straight. Again, not as good as a hair straightener, I think, just for control wise. But if you're a newbie to hair straightening, if you're scared of a hair straightener or a flat iron and you're always burning yourself, or if you are much younger and you want to start straightening your hair, I really think that this is a really great, probably revolutionary product. It's only pulled out, what, that's 4 hairs it's pulled out of my hair. So it's not like it tugs on your hair or anything like that. Like, it's amazing. I think what I like about it is the fact that it just doesn't burn. It's not gonna burn you, it's not gonna hurt you. I think that's what I really like about it. Like, I was just getting obsessed with just like kind of just brushing my hair away. It's just nice and easy. Like, I didn't really have to worry about it, like worrying about holding it on my hair for too long, because you're just brushing through. So it's just like nice and simple. Like, I don't know, I'm really impressed with this product, and I think for, you know, younger people, this is a really, really great introductory product. And yeah, it's just the only thing with this is, like, obviously you probably couldn't curl. Well, I don't know, maybe it will curl? I don't know, we'll see. No, you can't really curl with it, like what a straightener can. But yeah, I think for the product itself, it definitely comb straightens your hair. Like, look how straight that is. I'm not mad at that at all. Like, that's really, really cool. Like, I'm super, super impressed with this. I think this is really cool. So I think this product is would be a really cool gift as well. I think for $88 as well, it's not that expensive compared to most hair straighteners. Most good quality hair straighteners are about like $250, $300. So I think for $88, this is a really good price, especially for an introductory hair straightener or something like that. I just really like the result of it. Like, I think my hair looks really nice and silky and soft. Like, I'm very, very blown away by this product. I honestly thought it was just gimmicky and stupid at the start of this video, and I was like, this ain't gonna work, it's gonna be dumb, I've got thick ass hair, I need a bloody hair straightener. But honestly, I think I've been straightening my hair for about 5 minutes and got this result. So imagine if I was doing it for like 20 minutes or something. Like, my hair would be dead straight, but my hair doesn't really get dead straight, that's the only thing. So I like it kind of buffy like this with a bit of volume. But like, for only 5 minutes, like, this is the lazy way of straightening your hair. This is like like, I am a huge fan of this. I realize I'm starting to think, like, on your way to work, when, you know, you're real busy and you're trying to like do your face, you could be like moisturizing and brushing your hair at the same time. Like, this is a really, really cool product. So yeah, have you guys tried these straightening brushes or straightening combs? I've only tried this InStyler like comb. Is the first time I've ever tried any product like this, and I'm very, very blown away. So yeah, I'm really excited that I tried this one. It is really, really cool. Like, look at that. Yeah, feel myself. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe with the subscribe boxes, and until next time, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye guys.